Oil is soaring after a U.S. airstrike ordered by President Donald Trump killed a top Iranian general in Iraq. Patty Levitt-Reid from BNN Bloomberg joins me now with a look at how the markets are reacting. Patty, good morning to you. There is clearly some geopolitical risk here. This is a major moment.
Yeah, that's the word. And, you know, investors don't think about geopolitical risk until you're actually in the moment. And that's what we are seeing right now. To your point, oil did surge. Fear that there's going to be a disruption around global trade. We don't know what sort of retaliation will happen, and big oil producers will likely be big gainers today.
And this comes the day after the markets were in a really good mood. We saw new record highs on the Dow.
Yeah, we did. And so when you talk about the reaction in the markets, it was pretty swift to this news. And we saw Europe lower, Asia is lower. The Dow futures are off 350 points last I looked. People moving into gold, it's up $23. And that price of oil that spiked about 4.5%, trading over $64 US a barrel. To your point, a record high yesterday. This on the back of sort of that good news feel between the U.S. and China around a trade deal, phase one being signed January 15th. But you also add to that the People's Bank of China cut the reserve ratio by 50 basis points. That means not that necessarily it's going to happen. There's more money out there so that it can have more circulation in the Chinese economy. People can borrow and they can keep the economy going. So it was very much a feel-good story yesterday. Today is very much a risk-off story. And I think investors and traders are looking for an opportunity to trim some of those gains, because you just alluded to it. We have seen record highs, and at some point you have to say, okay, I'm going to stand back and sort of watch how this all plays out.
Okay, Patty, thank you for that perspective. Really appreciate it. I know that you're going to follow the story on BNN Bloomberg throughout the day.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you liked this, be sure to subscribe here, or you can check out more Your Morning videos right here.